The universe existed before it remembered itself. Before time had a direction, before distance had meaning, before light understood what it was, space was silent. But this silence was not empty. Deep within unseen layers, a vibration moved gently through existence. Not a sound, not a thought, just being. First flow, the awakening planets. In a distant region, 3 planets orbited an unnamed star. The first was dark. It absorbed light and never returned it. The second was radiant. Its surface was covered in crystalline seas, breaking starlight and scattering it into the void. The third was silent. It neither reflected nor consumed light, but it listened. These planets did more than orbit. They sensed one another, not through gravity alone, but through presence. Over time, a rhythm formed in the space between them. Not attraction, not force, harmony, and that harmony stirred something far away. Second flow, the memory of stardust. When stars die, not everything ends. Some explode, some fade, some dissolve. The dust left behind is not ordinary matter. It carries memory. How the star burned, how long it shone, which emptiness it touched. These memories drift slowly through space, and when they encounter the right vibration, they awaken. The rhythm between the 3 planets drew the stardust inward. The void began to fill, not with matter, but with meaning. Third flow, where time folded. Time does not move the same everywhere. In some regions it accelerates, in others it slows, in rare places it folds. At the alignment of the 3 planets, time bent like a thin veil. Past, present, and future overlapped. Everything there existed in more than one moment at once. The crystal planet remembered its formless beginning. The dark planet sensed a forgotten age of light. The silent planet responded for the first time to the void. Fourth flow, the listeners of emptiness. The void is never truly empty. Some entities require no matter. They have no shape, no edge. They exist in the intervals. They cannot be seen, but they feel change. The vibration of the 3 planets reached them, and the listeners of emptiness became still, because the rhythm echoed an ancient cycle. One long forgotten. Fifth flow, the language of planets. Planets do not speak, but they resonate. Through mass, through magnetism, through orbital breath. When the 3 planets vibrated together, a pattern emerged. It was not a message, not a command. It was a reminder. An old rule of the universe resurfaced. All things expand, all things scatter, but some things accumulate. What accumulated was neither energy nor matter. It was awareness before consciousness. Sixth flow, light without stars. At a single point, a brightness emerged. It gave no warmth, cast no shadow, yet it revealed everything. This was light without a star. It illuminated not only what existed, but what could exist. Under this light, the planets changed. Crystal seas trembled, dark surfaces fractured, the silent planet deepened, and space looked inward for the first time. Seventh flow, the gate of the cycle. Every cycle has a gate, but gates do not open, they align. When planets, stardust, folded time, and the listeners reached the same frequency. The gate appeared, not a boundary, not a passage and field of possibility. Here, nothing vanished, everything transformed. Eighth flow, the formless presences. At the edge of the gate, formless presences emerged. They were not planets, not stars, they were process itself. The breath between formation and decay. The pause between existence and dissolution. They do not choose, they balance. The harmony of the three planets had shifted equilibrium, and balance always answers. Ninth flow, the silent accord. There was no explosion, no conflict, only a silent accord. The planets accepted eventual dissolution. The stardust accepted new stars. Time resumed its flow. The void returned to listening. But something remained. This region of space was no longer the same. Tenth flow, the cosmic echo. Elsewhere, far away, long after, some stars would burn more gently. Some planets would form more steadily. Some silences would feel deeper. There would be no explanation. Yet it would be because three planets once shared a rhythm. The universe would not remember, but it would not forget. Silence returned, but it was no longer the first silence. For once the void has vibrated, it is never entirely still again.